All right. Anybody ready to do some math?
Yes.
All right. When we do number talks, put your thumb up if you have an idea of how to solve it. You don't even have to know it yet, but you have an idea of a strategy to solve it. Okay? Dar, you have an idea? What are we supposed to do in this problem? What's it asking us
5
for?
minus 65 minus 5 is 60 because 5 minus 5 is 0.
Ooh, you knew that already. Interesting. Now, are we done?
No.
What else, Star? What did it ask us to do next?
60 take away 2. And 60 take away 2 is 58.
How did you know that?
Because 10 minus 2 is 8 and 10 minus 8 is 2.
10 minus 2 is 8. And 10 minus 8 is 2. They go together. I see what you're saying. Yeah. But how'd you know 60 take away 2 was 58?
Because the 60 is made out of a 10.
I love the way you put that. You said the 60 is made out of a 10. So it has a 10 in it. And then what else?
A 10 and a 50.
Nice, Star. Okay, and so this 10 is what you broke up. You took 2 out of that 10. So this 10 is made out of a 2 and a what?
A 2 and a 8.
Nice thinking. And so when you took out this 2, you had a 50 and a
58.
You put it together in your brain like that. So 65 take away 5 take away 2 is 58. I'm going to write it all together as well. That is beautiful thinking. Okay, now I'm wondering if I can trick you guys. This says 65 take away 7. I need a thumbs up if you have an idea of how to solve it. Miriam? Come on, Miss Roberts, wake up. Are you guys awake?
Yes.
Okay, you have to be really awake to do this strategy. It's called counting down. But it's tricky sometimes. We get tripped up, especially because we're going to be counting backwards. Ready? 65 in your head. And 7 fingers. Show me 7 fingers. 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58. Okay, so we did. If we have 65, take away 7, and we counted down. That's called counting down. And it worked. We got to 58. That is the correct answer. But it was really tricky, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Especially since we're counting these big numbers. And we're counting them backwards, and we have to cross the 10 backwards, like to go from 60 to 59. A lot of kids get tricked there. A lot of adults too. And a lot of adults, if they haven't had enough coffee, might start counting up like I just did, right? So it is a little tricky. It's a good strategy. What about if we counted up from 7? Should we count up from 7? Sometimes that works with subtraction. Should we put 7 in our head and go all the way to 65?
No, that's too much.
It's too much, right? It's a long gap from 7 all the way to 65, right?
58 or 65
Woo! We don't have 65 fingers, right? We don't have 58 fingers. So, should we do
Let's do a line hop.
a line hop? Okay, should we start at 65 and hop backwards? I love it. 65. We're going to hop backwards. Do you want to hop to a friendly number like a home sweet home?
Yes. 10.
No, yeah, what's a multiple of 10?
50.
Well, what's the closest multiple of 10 to 65?
60.
We're going to go backwards. We're going to go backwards to 60.
Which is 5 feet.
It's 5 feet. It's 5 steps. Isn't that interesting? So we need to take away 7. We took away 5 already.
We can do.
What else do we need to take away? What did you just say, sir?
Take away 2.
How did you know that?
Because. Stay with me. 7 plus.
5 plus.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
So you knew that if we took away a 5 already, we just have to take away 2 more. Did we know what 60 take away 2 is?
60 take away 2 is 58.
We do. We know it's 58. That's so cool. Oh, wow. We could do it without the line, too. We could do it just by this 7. Break it apart, this 7. Let's do... Should we do sticks and stones?
Yeah.
Does everybody want to do sticks and stones?
Yes.
Okay, let's do sticks and stones. So we have 65.
5.
So I'm going to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 5. Okay. Now I have to take away 7.
65. Now put a minus 7. And put
Yeah, I have to take away. I'm not going to put 7 over here because I'm going to take them away from here. If I was adding, I would put both numbers and then I would put them together. But remember, subtraction means take it away or break it apart and see what's left.
Hold on.
So now we have to have 65 when we take away 7. Okay. So watch me. Watch me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh.
We can break the 10 up.
Oh.
We can break the 10 up.
We can break the 10 up?
Yeah.
Oh, so we need to break one of the 10s. Do we need to break all the 10s and smash it all to pieces? Or just break one of the 10s? Okay, I'm going to break this one down here. And I'm going to put 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I still have 50, 65. Thank you. And now I'm going to take away 7. Are you ready? Watch me. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we have left? 50 and 8. That's so cool. That's so cool. So we have 58 again. I wonder if anybody has a strategy what we can do with this 7. Lorenzo, what do you want to do with this 7?
Break it apart.
Lorenzo wants to break it apart. Can you guys say it with me? Lorenzo wants to break it apart. What do you want to break it apart into? What do you want to? What do you need from here to make it easier for you to subtract?
5
A 5 and something.
and a 2.
Great. You knew that 7 was made up of a 5 and a 2. Now, why did you want to break it up into a 5 and a 2? What made you choose those
Because
numbers?
65 take away 5 will be 60.
That's
And then you just have the 2 left.
so 60 take away 2. Do you already know what that is?
60 take away 2 is 58.
58. How beautiful. How beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. Let's do another one like that's kind of like that. Yes, Dakota?
I have a strategy.
What's your strategy?
We can do 76 take away the 6.
How are you going to do that? You're going to break this 8 apart?
Yeah.
She wants to break it apart. The woman after my own heart. Look, she wants to break it apart. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's break it apart. She wants to take this 8. Do you see the 8?
Yes.
And she wants to take the 6 out of it. And why do you want to take a 6 out of it? So we can get to our friendly number. If we went back to 70, that would be like that home sweet home, like Solomon wants to go to the home sweets because it's familiar to him, right? Any of the multiples of 10 are our friendly number. They make us go, right. And she wants to get back to a friendly number, Grayson. She wants to get back to a friendly number. And she knows if I take away this 6, what's 76? 76. Take away the 6. 70. Nice. 76. Take away the 6. So she knows that if I have this 8 and I take away a 6, I could get to my friendly number. That's what I want to do. But here's my 8. I have to have a 6 and something.
And a 2.
Oh, good job, girl. Okay, so now you got your brain on. Look at you. So if I have an 8, it's a 6 and a 2. You were right. A 6 and a 2. A 6 and a 2 make an 8. Okay, okay. So let's think about this. 76. Stay with me. 76. Take away the 6 is nice. It's 70. So 76 take away 6 is 70. And now we have to do this other part. 70 take away the 2. We already took away the 6. Now we're going to take away the 2. What's 70 take away 2?
68.
What makes you think that? I mean, how do you know? Maurice, how did you know?
I just knew it because I know my 10s.
You knew your 10 facts.
10. Since 10 take away 2 is 8, 70 take away 2 is 60.
Yes. Everyone say.
Yes.
So we went from 76 to 70 to get to our friendly number. When we got home to home sweet home, we went la. And then we have 70 take away 2. Who else knows what 70 take away 2 is?
70 take away 2.
70 take away 2 is 58.
Wow, you agree? Okay. Did you know what 70 take away 2 is? Yes. You're whispering it so they can't hear you on the video. What is 70 take away 2? 68. Way to go, guys. You are using your brains. You are so powerful. Thank you for using your mathematical minds. I am so proud of you.